Hey, there we go. Okay, so try one more time. Sorry, but here's all my stuff laid out. And then I also have some things here in front of me, which hopefully it will not turn off this time. There we go. So that's going to be the build view, and it's not going to change much during this time, so if this view bugs you, you might want to turn off now, because it's not going to get any closer. I don't have a second camera. Like I said, this is the first time that I've tried this, so you know, if it works, I'll be amazed. But I purchased this, and my two previous videos went over the kind of hows and whys. I went over and checked all the electronics and made sure that they all worked okay before I went about starting to put this together. And now I've watched the videos, but I have the PDF here, which has just about everything that I need, I think, after watching the videos. And I'm only going to do the first hour here, so that's pretty much just putting the acrylic pieces together. If you're thinking of buying one of these, oh man, I don't know. Build quality's so-so. You can see I took the acrylic off, which I've been debating, and I already have stuff all over it. They're dusty because I'm down in my wood shop. You probably saw some of this stuff when I moved the phone around there. But once you take that stuff off, which took forever, it took forever to take off all of that brown tape stuff from the outside. It looks nice, but I think it's going to collect dust forever. I am going to build an enclosure, so I'll have another video when I get around to building the enclosure. Hopefully the end of this week I'll get to that. So here we go. I got my little R2 guy. He's going to hold some of my bolts. So he comes apart. They're like measuring cups or something. I got him. So he's got all my nuts and bolts. Oh, that doesn't come off. It's not a very well made thing, but it's fun. So these are the major frame pieces. So it's kind of cool. Once you get this together, you can see the size of and scale of some of this stuff. So, man, it's coming up. I'm going to go ahead and get started. So I need M3s, which I think are these tiny ones. Oh, man. M3 18s. Oh, jeez. These are tiny. And I mean tiny, tiny. I don't even know if I want to pour these out into there. But these are metric. Not only are they metric, they are small. I mean, look at this. Look at the size of that. That's tiny. And then these are the bolts for it. And there's a couple different sizes. There's 12 and, what do I have? 18. So there's 50 of these M18s. So it looks like I can start with this and this. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Look, I missed some of the brown stuff. So you guys can, I thought I had it all done. I don't know how long it took, but I bet it takes longer to take this stuff off. Maybe not. But I bet it'll give it a run for its money, the time it would take. to get this stuff off compared to the entire build time. Luckily I had my kids helping me, and that took away some of the time. Oh, this one wasn't bad. And I'm even going fast. If I would have gone a little slower, I might have got it in fewer pieces. So we'll set that aside. I posted this in the Facebook forum, but I have a feeling I messed up when I went to post it, but oh well, I've never done this before. So if I missed you, sorry. I didn't think there'd be a very big audience though, especially on short notice, but I wanted to get to building. I plan on posting this back up to my channel too once it's done, but I haven't put up the electronic one because I did all that in one day, and I didn't want to post a ton of videos in one day. I'm brand new to this YouTube thing, and I can tell you that it has exponentially cost me time making the videos. That's why I wanted to try this live stream, because I thought maybe I could work real time and not have to worry. And then I thought maybe I should just record the whole thing and speed through it, you know, like a Jimmy DiResta kind of video or a Jay Bates kind of video. But I don't know if I want to do that kind of editing. I don't know. I don't have a whole lot of time. Alright. Hopefully that's the only one that I missed. Mine had all this white goop all over on it too. Okay, so they have, maybe I should do the bottom first. Maybe it doesn't matter. But you can see they have square posts notched out. And then what you have to do, yeah, you know what? I'm definitely going to do the bottom first. We'll get that base going first. Are these symmetrical? Yeah. They have these goofy posts. And I can already tell this is going to drive me crazy. Someone thought they were being really smart when they made this. I guess smarter than me, because I couldn't make it, but alright. So alright, that's not gonna work. They won't stay in one at a time. Or both of them won't stay in there. So we'll get one in. Okay. So you have to put these in. To these little slots. And then somehow how in the world? Oh my goodness. What a pain. Okay. I don't want to over tighten because I don't want to crack anything. Alright, you like that? Gift from my daughter. So I have the bolt going through here, and let me see with their little screwdriver. My screwdriver has a pretty small head on it, but it just feels like I'm going to strip it out. I'm going to put one more in here, and then wow. It's kind of frustrating there. Ugh. Okay, so maybe the more I do, the better I'll get. Who knows? Yeah, you definitely need a smaller head screwdriver to do this. I don't think I have any over there with a better handle on it. Smaller than this. You probably can't see all it. There's like this white. Can you see it here? There's all this white. That's not styrofoam. I don't know what that is. If it's some kind of grease or some kind of gunks on there. Man, it might be an hour just to get these 4 bolts in. And there's like 50 of these. I have to say, if anyone is watching this from the Facebook group, number 1, thanks for watching. Number 2, thank you for all your help. I haven't posted much on there, but I've gone there searching for answers, and I have definitely received most, if not all, the information I needed without asking questions. People either answered the previous person's question, or had it in like the files section. Man, I wonder if I have like a magnetized. No. I think my fingers are too fat. This is just awful. I think live streaming this may end up being a very, very poor choice because this is going to take forever. Let's see if I have a magnet. Sure looks like it's magnetized. It's got that. Okay. Guess not. What an enthralling live cam. Nope. Okay. I can't do it. I can't do it. Do I have a little pair of needle nose? I mean... Guess we'll try to put these in advance up here. And then maybe we'll go back down and visit those ones down at the bottom. What a pain. Okay. Now we'll put this thing on, hoping buttons go on the right. Oh, please don't fall out. Success. Success. Alright. Maybe this won't be as painful to watch. Just realize you can't even see that. So what I did was I put the nuts in here before I put the shield on. Oh, there goes the water pump. Sorry, no avoiding that during a live stream. It's right next to my shop. Okay. This is how the whole thing should have gone. Alright. I'm gonna somehow make this happen. I really don't want to take this back apart. I really don't want to take this back apart. Hey. Alright. Alright. Two more, and then hopefully I can use a better strategy going forward, because it's been 20 minutes. All I've done is put a few bolts in. We haven't made much progress. Alright. There we go. That was a hard one on the last one. Yeah, that's a good sign. I'm just snugging these in so I feel some real tension, because I don't want to freak out that I'm going to break these. Oh, there we go. Woo! Well, I'll tell you what, I hope I don't have to do that again, because that was awful. See? Whammied myself. Okay, stay there. Alright, so there we go. Not looking too bad. Let's see. Okay. People that make this, Anet or wherever, come up with a better solution to putting those bolts in. Alright. Now I gotta put these things on. Put it on upside down. It's alright. It's getting late. Hopefully those bolts will stay right where they are. This will be a 2-minute fix. I was just worried about keeping these holes on the right side. I wasn't even paying attention to the tabs. And the blocks lined up well. I guess they're machined well. Oh my God. Maybe I need to quit this. Okay, tabs up, buttons on the right. And funny enough, this orientation has the worst fit of the whole. I've put it every other orientation you possibly could. This one has the worst fit of the bunch. Okay, back on track. Need 4 of these. Need a nut in there, a nut in here. Let's see if I can't mess this up. So that. Oh, look, you can already see the dust I tried to clean up. Guess I didn't do a very good job. I even blew it off with the air hose. Oh man. Alright, let's try this one. Let's loosen this up a little bit then. Maybe I got them too tight. There we go. So what I did was I loosened these bolts up because this piece wouldn't go around. There's the infamous holes. You go on the Facebook group and ask a question whether or not the rods come up through those holes. Turns into World War III. It's pretty funny. And I see both sides of it. They don't really provide any support. Doesn't seem like they hit anything up in there. But there are people that love to have that rod go up into those holes. And there are people that think it should be short of that because the holes don't serve any purpose. And it all comes down to how much you feed that rod down into one of your stepper motors. That would be down here. So yeah, that's how exciting conversations are. But they're helpful. Sometimes they get a little petty. There we go. Tighten this back up. Man, I'm already halfway through my hour. I was hoping to just get the frame kind of done anyway. Next video, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I have a feeling I'm just gonna record myself building the thing and getting it done because I don't want to waste any more time on this. I want to get to printing. Okay, that's done. Okay, I'm looking here. I need this piece. Man, I need a lot. Put a motor on. So I need a back plate, Y-axis motor support. Okay, let me come over here and see. Y motor. That's that. That. Oh, that's the limit switch. Okay, if you don't know what a limit switch is, which I really didn't, I've seen these switches before, but something will come over here and click this, push down on it, and it just cuts the circuit. So it's just another kind of switch where something will run into it. Oh, now I need the main piece, which is this. Okay, I need Let's see, more of these. M2, M12. Oh. M4. Yeah, I can already tell. You guys, if you are watching this, this is pretty boring, so I think I just made up my mind that I'm not going to do any more live streaming with this. Or if I do, I'm not going to advertise it because it's not that exciting. Oh, there they are. Two 12s. Alright, those are in there. I don't think I need those. Put that over here for now. First, I gotta get off this stupid sticker. Alright. So. What? This. Looks like it goes like that. And this goes on it like that. Goes like that, I guess. Let's see. This thing. Looks like big hole should be at the top. M12 to I probably want this sticking out, right? What do I screw that together with? This is what I'm not sure of. This... This screws in here. And then this, this must screw in here. Like that. And this. Okay, now we're getting somewhere. Okay. Here I thought maybe people would learn something from watching me put it together, but I have a feeling this would just be people shouting at me why I'm not doing things a certain way. Shouting at their computer screens. You moron! Goes that way. I got like 20 minutes left. I guess I could go longer, but I said it'd be an hour. I'm gonna take a little break. Okay, that looks good, I think. And this goes like that, which means I need this. Gosh, look at the dust. I can say that this is not difficult to build. It's a little frustrating, but it's not difficult. The instructions here, there's a couple spots where it's not very clear, but you know, what are you gonna do? Okay. And that goes there. And then the limit switch goes on like this. That doesn't seem right. This is going to go in like this. Like that. sticking out this way, so I need 4 of these. This says M3 12 screws, only use 3 of them. This says M2 12 screws, 2 of them. So I'm gonna guess that the M2 are for this thing. What's this? M4. M330. M312. Why would they only put 3 in? I think I'm gonna go crazy and put all 4 in. Ooh. This one didn't want to go in. Maybe you can't put 4 in. Maybe some kind of weird. Oh, there it goes. Well, I'm going to live on the edge and get all 4 in there. Okay. Okay, that really felt like it was going to break, but it didn't. And it seems to be pretty tight, so I'm going to leave it. You want to ease in here. And then it's done. Okay, so that's going to go like that. And yeah, I'll strip it out. What I'm doing here is rotating the motor, because now I see how it mounts. I was totally wrong in what I was thinking. I feel like they're stripping, but I think this is just a cheap screwdriver. This is the one that they sent. Makes a lot more sense now I see how it's going to sit. I think I'm getting tired. Maybe this will be the last thing I do here. We'll get this on the back. I'll show you where it goes. We'll put it on, and then we'll call this a stopping point. It's pretty close to an hour. this goes on the back here. So there's 4 of these little bolts that need to go back there. Put these back. And there we go. So, got the frame on. Ooh, got some of it done. Not nearly as much as I had hoped, but we're creeping up on an hour, so I think I'm going to cut it short here. I will continue to work on this. I'm going to take a little break tonight, and then maybe I'll do like a time-lapse thing going through the rest of the build. But I can already tell from the camera angles and stuff that it might not be real beneficial to do this live streaming stuff. Plus, I don't even know if it worked. I guess we'll see. But anyway, even if you're not watching the live stream, I plan on posting this on my channel. So if you're watching it, thanks. And if you want, you can like and subscribe. Have a good night.